Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel guys. Guys, you may be having some interesting question, some mysterious question, that is, why does sea and ocean is blue in color? If suppose you will go to the beach, okay, suppose you will go to the beach and see, you will see that the sea and ocean is blue in color. But if suppose you will go near and take a little drop of water in your hand, then still you will see that it is in colorless as it is normally. The whilst from far you will see that it is blue in color, and while if you will take in hand and or any container, it is not showing blue in color. What is the mysterious thing that it is happening that the sea and ocean is blue in color? Okay, so guys, I will discuss these things in this video. So guys, hello, I am Atarva and welcome back to my channel. So let's start this video. So guys, the sea and the ocean is blue in color because of one concept called scattering of light. But guys, what is this concept called scattering of light? Scattering of light means when any light source will fall in that object. Okay, when any light source will fall in that object, then that time it will scatter in that object, and that time will produce that color. That is called scattering of light. Okay, if you can't understand, then I'll take one example. Whatever you see, like whatever you see in your house, in your fruits and vegetable, whatever you will see that it has some colors. But it is these colors are appear to us because of scattering of light. Okay, I'll just take some vegetables example. Suppose if I will take this tomato, okay, you can see that this tomato is red in color. Why this tomato is red in color? You have any ideas? Okay, so the tomato is red in color because when the sunlight will fall in this tomato, then all the colors will be absorbed by the tomato except the red color. So again I'll tell, when all the colors will fall in that object, means that white light or the sunlight will fall in that object, then all the colors will be absorbed by this tomato, but except red color. Except red color, all the colors will be absorbed. But instead of red color, it will scatter in this tomato, and after scattering it will bounce in your eyes. Means it will reflect in your eyes, and hence you can see that it is red in color. And the same, I'll tell you one more example. Like if you will check this lemon is in yellow in color. Why this lemon is yellow in color? This lemon is yellow in color because when the sunlight will fall in this lemon, then all the colors will be absorbed, that is yellow color. All the colors will be absorbed except the yellow color. Okay, but instead of absorbing the yellow color, it will be scattered and it will bounce in your eyes, means it will reflect in your eyes, and hence you can see that it is in yellow in color. So these things same happened in our sea and ocean also, or any other water bodies also. If you'll go to beach, then you'll see it is blue in color. Okay, this all happened because when the sunlight will fall in this sea and ocean, then water molecules will absorb. Water molecules will be absorbed by these colors except the shortest wavelength, that is blue, indigo and violet. But instead of absorbing the blue, indigo and violet, you will scatter around. Scatter around means mixing around, and hence you will see that it will be blue in color. But wait, this video is still not over yet. You may be thinking that if violet color, indigo color will also come, then why still you will see that it is blue in color? Why you can't see it is in violet color? What is the reason? It is the reason because indigo and violet, if you will see in the rainbow, it is very short distance as compared to blue. Okay, so that's why you cannot see more violet color in the sea. You will see more blue color. In very some places or in some depth you may see violet color or indigo color, but maximally the sea will be in blue in color. So guys, you may be having one more question, that is why in one glass of water, why it is in colorless, and why in glass of water you can't see it is blue in color. See, if you will see here, it is in colorless. Why it is in colorless? What is the reason behind that is colorless? Okay, so I will tell you now. Okay, so in one glass of water it is showing us colorless because for being getting the blue in color, we need much depth. Okay, for getting much depth and long length, then only we can see that it is in blue in color. If you will see the sea and ocean, these all have very much depth. So and much depth and much length, that's why we can see it is blue in color. And apart from the sea and ocean, other all water bodies also have like a river and lake and etc. Whatever water bodies, they will also have much depth. Okay, suppose there is have more depth under the ground from top to low, much depth, then only we can see it is in blue in color. But in one glass of water it is very less depth, so we cannot see it is blue in color. And if suppose in anybody home there is swimming pool, then in there also you will see it is as depth. If the depth of that swimming pool it is so much, then you will see that it is in blue in color. But if you will see the depth of that swimming pool it is very less, then you cannot see it is blue in color. You can see it is colorless only. So that's why in one glass of water you will see it is in colorless. So that's why now guys you may have known that why the sea and the ocean is blue in color and why in one glass of water it is not blue in color. Okay, so one more time I will tell that why in one glass of water we cannot see. If for this one you need much depth and much length. If these two things have so much, then only you can tell that it is blue in color. Otherwise you will see it is in colorless. Okay, so I hope you like this video. You can like, share and subscribe. You can comment also in the comment box. So thank you. Bye.